A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on feet. C is for cat with a little meow. D is for doll with a pretty bow. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for Godzilla, roar so loud. H is for horse that runs so proud. I is for igloo made of ice. J is for jump, bounce once then twice. K is for kite flying in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey climbing trees. N is for net that catches bees. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for parrot in the tree. Q is for quail so small and shy. R is for rat running by. S is for shark with teeth so wide. T is for tiger with stripes to hide. U is for unicorn, shiny and bright. V is for vulture soaring in flight. W is for watch that tells the time. X is for xylophone with a chime. Y is for yellow, sunny and fun. Z is for zebra, ready to run.